Feng Shui is an ancient Chinese art that empowers you to improve every aspect of your life, from health and wealth to relationships and career. But how does it work? By enhancing your environment according to principles of harmony and energy flow. Feng Shui ensures that your surroundings positively influence your life. One effective way to use Feng Shui is by applying color to different areas of your home. By placing colored objects in corresponding life areas, you can energize those spaces. The Feng Shui Octagon is a useful tool for mapping the energies of your home. By overlaying it on your floor plan, you can identify which parts of your home align with specific life areas and enhance them with appropriately colored objects. For instance, painting the walls yellow in the health area can promote better physical well-being, while a healthy green plant in the family area encourages unity. If you're looking to make some quick improvements to your home environment, here are practical Feng Shui cures you can implement. First, clear the entryway. Let qi, energy, flow freely by removing obstacles from your front entry. Clutter like old newspapers, bikes, and toys can block energy from entering your home. Clear out anything behind your door for even more benefits. Second, position your desk for success. Arrange your desk at an angle to face the office door, allowing you to see who enters. If this isn't possible, use a mirror to keep an eye on your surroundings, which can help open up new opportunities. Third, encourage learning. Place books near the front door to stimulate curiosity and learning for you and your family. This simple act can create a welcoming atmosphere that promotes knowledge. Fourth, fix broken objects. Repair any broken items around your home, especially doors and windows. A well-functioning environment helps release frustrations and clears the path for positive energy. Use an energetic fountain. Position a small fountain near your front door to symbolize financial flow and attract abundance into your life. Enhance your love life. Add 3 or 9 plants in your bedroom to bring in fresh energy. If the plants have pink flowers, even better. This adds a touch of romance and vitality. Block bathroom drains. Keep bathroom doors closed and ensure all drains are covered when not in use. This practice helps prevent energy and money from leaking away. Hang wind chimes. Install a pleasant-sounding wind chime in the right front area of your home. The sound can attract helpful people and enhance your social connections. Position your bed for safety. Place your bed in the commanding position of your bedroom farthest from the door, but still in view of it. This arrangement allows you to feel stronger, calmer, and more in control. Incorporating Feng Shui into your home doesn't require major renovations. Small changes can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. By applying color, clearing clutter, and positioning key elements thoughtfully, you can create an environment that supports and energizes every aspect of your life. Embrace these principles and unlock the transformative power of Feng Shui in your home.